Gerald! 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 I shouldn't let him off the leash.
Oh, don't worry, we'll find your dog, okay? Gerald?
I can find him. I'm a tracker. I can find anything.
Okay, please find him. His name is Gerald.
Don't. Oh. It's a Ridgeback. 2 years of age.
I could have told you that. Oh, come on. That's unnecessary.
He's alone. Scared out of his mind.
Let's just look for him. Yeah, just...
He's in the mountains. We don't have much time.
Don't eat. Oh, just stop. Oh, please stop eating poop. How do you know that's Gerald's poop? That could be any poop. There's so much poop. That's just poop on the ground. Ooh. Where did you get that? Oh, you brought that poop. That's poop you brought.
He's headed north. We'll cut him off at the pass.
Thanks, but no thanks. You're clearly crazy. We'll find him on our own. We can find him on our own. Okay?
Found him.
Power up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, Gerald.
Hey, get out of here! Get out of here!
Go home! Go!